What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And in today's video, I want to share a couple of tips with you all, the benefits of using a travel agent versus booking online yourself. So which one will win the battle? So if you're online, if you're looking for legitimate reasons why you should book yourself versus going through a travel agent and you don't know which option to turn, let me help you and point you in the right direction as I give you 5 tips why I recommend using a travel agent instead of booking online yourself. So first tip is travel agents will give you insider access. Okay, a lot of things that you can try to do, or should I say DIY, do it yourself, you will not have these options available to you. So if you go on TripAdvisor, if you go on other sites like Expedia, and you try to get these insider access tools and secrets, you will not have access to it. So therefore, you won't have the savings like you want to. Okay, you won't have the proper tools you need to dig deep and customize your trip the way you want to. Because keep in mind, most online travel agencies always steer you in the right direction of getting more money from you. So you will not have the insider access such as like insurance, special promotions that a travel agent that can give you. Okay. So you will have, some of them do offer insurance and things of that nature, but you won't have the insider access and the special promotions to get it at special rates. Okay, only travel agents has that access. Okay, number 2, travel agents will save you time and money. So think about it. It will save you a ton of time and money. Think about it. If you try to do all this on your own, it's going to take you forever to customize the trip the way that you want to. Okay. You can go through TripAdvisor, Expedia, all the other online travel agencies, and you can try to put together the vacation package that you want, but all the tools and resources are scattered out. You would have to do site hopping. You would have to go to this site, that site, just to get all the information put in one place and try to see about saving you some money. So travel agent is your one-stop shop. Okay, it will save you time and money of doing the research. Okay, number 3, it's less overwhelming. Okay, it's less overwhelming to use a travel agent. Okay, so think about it. You got a big trip you're trying to plan, and a big trip like this is going to take a ton of time. Okay, you have to research the everything that's involved with the trip. You got to research how to put the itinerary together. So you're pretty much acting as a full-time travel agent, but you're not getting paid for it. So save yourself some time and money. Don't let them deal with the headache. It's less and become less overwhelmed. Okay. Number 4, online travel agencies inventory is limited. Now this is the no-brainer here. So if you online, you're looking at TripAdvisor and all these online travel agencies, and you're trying to book your vacation yourself, guess what? You have limited access. Okay, they will only show you so much. Keep in mind, they in it to make money, so they will only show you the things that's going to make them the most money. So the inventory is very limited versus going through a travel agent where they have unlimited resources, unlimited inventory, meaning what you may not find on their online travel agency site, a travel agent can find for you in a matter of minutes, because they have access to all the inventory for all suppliers, all in one database, all in one stop shop. So they don't have to spend a lot of time looking around like you may have to. They have all the tools in one place. Okay, so inventory is not limited with a travel agent, but an online travel agency trying to do it yourself, you have limited tools and limited inventory, meaning limited prices. And last but not least, travel agents can tailor your needs and meet your budget. Okay, it's very important that you get the trip that you want and you customize it the way you want. You want a specific type of vacation, and you want to stay within a certain type of budget. Now, if you was to do this online, do it yourself, it'll take you a long time to try to tailor your vacation, trying to customize your vacation the way that you want to. However, if you really want to customize your trips and your vacations, a travel agent is a human being that you can communicate to, and they know exactly what you want, your heart's desire, and they will put in the time and effort to get the trip that you want and meet your budget. Okay, so that's one of the huge benefits of going through a human being, a travel agent. There's your one-stop shop and your one-stop communicator as getting you everything that you need. Okay, so that's my time here. Larry Porter signing off. If you find value from this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. All right, be blessed and happy marketing. Bye-bye.